Okay, Lee Santo here again. Again, we're continuing with our basic firearm series here. We talked a little bit last time about doing an admin load, getting your weapon hot to get it up and running. And I mentioned that we had three types: an admin load, an empty load, and then a tactical reload. And right now we're going to talk about empty loads. And to do that, I got a magazine. I've got it loaded with my dummy ammunition here to help me practice this a little bit and show you how it works. And when I talk about an empty load, that means the gun has gone empty. If I'm shooting a semi-automatic handgun and it goes empty, the slide will lock to the rear. All right, that's my clue that it needs to be reloaded. So once the slide locks to the rear as I'm engaged in shooting here, it locks to the rear, I need to put a new magazine into it. So I'm going to turn the gun slightly in my hand so I can press the magazine release. And as I'm pressing that magazine release, I'm going to come down for my fresh magazine. Now notice I keep the gun pretty much straight up and down because I want gravity to help me get rid of that magazine. I'm just going to let it drop free to the ground, and then I'm just going to turn the weapon over here as I bring the new magazine up to meet it, slide it in, push it, make sure it locks. My hand comes over the top, grabs the slide, lets it go here, and I come back up and get my two hands on the weapon and I'm ready to engage again. Okay, so takes a little practice, but if you follow the steps slowly as you're learning to do it, you'll be able to perform an empty load nice and smooth.